When David was king, Israel had grown 10 times larger than King Saul's kingdom. No, King
Now,
David. Now, King David was too old to rule. King David spoke to Solomon, his son who would be king. Next to him, he told him to trust and obey God. Then God will keep his promise. Soon after
ano daw?
after did
Died.
David died. One night, God appeared to Solomon in his dream and asked, "What do you need from me?" Solomon replied, "Asking for wisdom,
Required
required to be a good king." God
was
was pleased, so he granted his wish. God also promised him rescue, riches, and honor. Ito, nakakatakot na to. The Israelites came to King Solomon when they needed help. One day, two mothers come arguing over a baby. King Solomon suggested to David to
divide
the baby into the first woman.
pleaded,
Pleaded, "No, my lord, please give the baby to her, but do not kill him at once." Solomon knew who the real mother was. After 3 years of reigning, King Solomon began to build a temple for worshiping God. After 7 years, the temple was finished. The ark, a box containing God's laws, was placed inside a ceremony and celebration was held to dedicate the house to God that lasted for 14 days. King Solomon also wrote a lot of wise saying in the book of Proverbs, included in the book are wise sayings on how to make right and true decisions, and to know what is fair. It also teaches people how to live good and the importance of loving and obeying God. The end. The end. Dapat may kasamang the end.
Okay.